Hi guys, it's Mrs. Hughes, and I'm here to teach you about our library databases. I'm going to make this quick and easy so that you guys know where and what to do when you are doing research about whatever topic you need to do. So let's get into it. We have two places I'm going to show you. The first one is EBSCO. Once you learn how to use EBSCO, you can pretty much use any database and understand how to know and what to use it for. So I'm going to click on this link. You guys do have that link as well. And it'll take you to our Piper High School page, and it'll take you to the library page. You just click EBSCO, which is that first button right there. For some reason, if you just go to the EBSCO website, it won't let you log in, but as long as you go from this library research section, you should be fine. So when you open up EBSCO, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to see all of these different places for you to type in information and everything. And we're going to talk about the different kinds of filters that you guys want to use. I'm going to give an example here. Let's say I want to research house cats. I click enter. Right now, I have 39,818 results, all about house cats. That's a lot. I don't have time to read all of that. So what I would do is I'd click on filters, and the three most important filters you're going to want to make sure you do is full text, because why would you only want to read part of an article? Peer reviewed, because you want to make sure that experts have also looked at this article and said, this is the one. And PDF full text. Then click apply. Let's watch that 39,000 go down. Now we have 407 results. That's crazy. Now, if I want to make sure that everything I'm reading is up to date, I just scroll down on my filters and I click publication date. I would, since there's not a lot of research going on right now about cats, I'd say within the past 5 years or the past 10 years. If you're wanting something about, or if you're researching something about maybe something that's happening today or something that's happening right now in the United States, I would click the past 12 months. So I'm going to click 5 years. I'm going to apply that. I'm going from 407 to 75. Awesome. Now, if I want to be more specific about what I'm researching, I can type in and that will give me more. It can narrow it down and also give you more information. If I want to broaden my search, I can click or, and I can say house cats or felines. Okay. Or if I want to make sure my search about house cats is very specific, I can say not lions. Let's check it out. 68. So some of those articles were about lions. So it really lets us dig deep, and that is called Boolean searching. So Boolean searching is just using and, or, and not to make sure that you're narrowing your searches down as much as you want and as much as you can. Okay, so all of that being said, as soon as you're done, what you can do is, let's say I want to look at litter management practices for house cats. Okay, I like this article. I've read through the abstract, which is kind of like a summary of what the article is about, and I want to save this, right? The coolest thing is I can download it and it will save the PDF for me, or it will also tell me, let me see, let me find it. It should give you the ISSN number, so you can type that into literally any database that you guys are doing for your citation. You can also click copy paste and put this into Citation Machine, and it will show you the exact way to cite it. For example, so let's say I need to put in a, let's see, online database, and let's see, encyclopedia article. Oops. And I can type in all of this, or I can click on the website and, oops, sorry guys, copy. paste, complete citation, and it will complete the citation for me. Cool. Let's go back to this in our presentation, and I'm going to show you the state of Kansas library databases so that you guys, now that you know how to work EBSCO, I can show you the other databases. Let me get rid of some of this because this is a lot. So when I type in state of Kansas library, if I scroll down on the first page, it has access databases and access learning resources. Access databases, it's right here. And literally they have a database for everything. I'm talking, they have Agricola, which is an agriculture-based database. They have an art database. They have an auto repair database. So if you need to fix your car, this is a great place to go. All of these are free. You don't need a library card to access it. You can also click K-12 student resources. Make sure you click high school because we are not in elementary school anymore. And the Explora high schools is another great place to go. And it works just like EBSCO because it's also affiliated with EBSCO. Cool? All right, and again, works the exact same way as EBSCO, and it has a bunch of different options for you to click through and choose. The last thing I'm going to show you is when you go back to that the Kansas State Library, right here, it says Access Learning Resources. This Career One Stop and Ferguson's Career Guidance Center are two great websites that talk about careers. If I want to go to Ferguson's Career Guidance Center, it will literally take me through different careers that I want to go to. I can find a career path and I can research any industry. So I can go to pharmaceuticals. Maybe I want to be a pharmacy tech, and it will tell me all about pharmacies, and it will also give me a bunch of information on how to do that. It'll tell me the industry outlook. It'll tell me the structure of that, the background of where that came from, and related professions. So, and it will also tell me all about them, like how much money does a pharmacologist make? How much money does a drug developer make? Okay, those are all really important things that where you might find jobs that you didn't know existed. Okay, and they even talk about skills that you'll need. All right, I'm so excited about that. And that's, again, as long as you access it through the Kansas database, you're totally fine. If you guys have any questions, I'm here in the library. It's kind of like my whole job. And I can't wait to see you guys. Have a wonderful day.